Hey there, and welcome to our kitchen. I'm Lauren and this is Jenny. We're two Festivals Mealtime Mentors. Today we're taking traditional stuffed peppers, which I personally love, and we're adding a Southwestern flair.
That's right, Lauren. Today we're making Southwest stuffed peppers.
Yeah.
Love this because it's super filling and really, really simple.
Yes, easy weeknight meal for sure. So what we have going already, we have some ground turkey breast in our pan here, cooking with just a little bit of olive oil. So what I'm going to do next is add in our seasoning. So we've got a little bit of cumin. It's really, really simple seasoning mix. Garlic powder, chili powder, and then a little bit of salt and pepper.
Yum. It smells so good in here already.
So good. So from here, just going to brown this meat. The great thing about this recipe is it's really customizable. So we're using ground turkey breast. You could use ground beef. You could make this meatless with beans. Totally up to you.
So while Lauren is cooking that, I'm going to go ahead and talk about our peppers. So the peppers are kind of like the vessel for all of this really good filling. And what we've done is just taken 4 bell peppers and cut them in half lengthwise and then scooped out the seeds and membrane. So we use red, yellow, and orange peppers, but you can really use whatever colors you would like. We just thought that these are really pretty, perfect for kind of a dreary winter day.
Yes. And they're a little sweeter too than your typical green peppers. All right, so our turkey needs just a little bit longer, so we're just gonna wait for this to continue to brown. All right, so this turkey is good to go, and we can add in our next ingredient. So we're going to be adding in a can of fire-roasted diced tomatoes.
I love the extra flavor that the fire-roasted tomatoes have versus just the regular diced tomatoes.
Yes, and if you do have just diced tomatoes, that will definitely work, but the fire-roasted just gives us, like you said,
something extra.
Yes. So I'm just gonna mix this until it's incorporated, and then we can add in our rice and cheese.
So we're just using a frozen brown rice that we've cooked in the microwave. You could certainly use like a leftover rice or quinoa or even cauliflower rice.
Yeah.
Lots of different options to make this customizable.
Just gonna add in this entire bag, which I love that it uses that. This way. And then we've got some shredded cheddar cheese as well. I'm just gonna mix all this together to make our filling. I also turned off the heat since our rice is already hot, and that cheese will melt since our filling is nice and warm.
This looks so good.
Yes, it does. All right. Just want to make sure that all the rice gets all these delicious flavors. Okay.
All right, now it's time to fill these peppers. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to divide this filling as evenly as I can between all of these peppers.
And depending on how large or small your peppers are, it may vary how many you need. So just kind of keep an eye on that at the store.
And if you have extra filling, it's totally okay to just eat it with a spoon.
Yes, it's delicious.
I do love how these peppers are kind of like a complete meal.
And they make great leftovers as well. They're really easy to bring a pepper for lunch or even to freeze.
Okay, so these are all filled, and now we're going to go ahead and top it with more cheese.
Yes, of course. So we're using cheddar today, but I think pepper jack would be really good.
Ooh, yes, a little bit of heat.
So feel free to customize this recipe. There's lots of easy ways to make it your own.
All right. And now the last step is to just add a little bit of water into the bottom of this pan.
That will prevent the peppers from drying out while they're baking in the oven, and will almost help them steam a little bit.
Yes, so what I'm looking at here is to just make sure that the bottom is just covered with water. We don't want too much water in there.
Right.
So Lauren's going to pop that into the oven at 375, and it'll cook for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the peppers are kind of tender crisp and the cheese is nice and melty. And we do have some that are already done. So Lauren's going to go ahead and grab those. Oh, yum. They look perfect. So there's still a little water left in the bottom of the pan. That's perfectly okay. And get some on
Yum.
place. These are so pretty.
So pretty, and there's lots of different ways to top it too. You could do a little bit of Greek yogurt, cilantro,
Hot sauce for me.
hot sauce, more cheese, salsa. Avocado or guacamole would be really
yum,
good.
Yeah. Lots of great
Some of
Southwest
this filling.
flavors. This is delicious.
I really like the rice in here.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we hope you give this Southwestern style stuffed peppers recipe a try.
And for more recipes and resources from your Mealtime Mentors, visit bestfoods.com.